Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon count. We are in Home Goods and I am doing a Home Goods video on one, they have Valentine's Day out, and two, I'm looking for some pictures for the kids' rooms. So come on guys and shop with me. Let's go. Okay. Oh, here, this say Kids Town up here. So let's see what they have up in this area. Well, more for boys too. So that's that's more girly. So okay, this is for more boys, but it's for more kitty boys up in here. Like they would like. I'm looking for pictures, so let's go back here for the pictures, and then we'll look around for some more stuff. I made some of these out of blankets of theirs that they got when they were babies. I made long pillows for their beds, so I would never buy that. Like I said, because you can make those. But let's go over here and let's look for some kids' pictures. Okay, so I'm gonna try to start in this area because I do have a 7-year-old. He still is into trucks and tractors and that type of thing, so that'll be nice. And that one is $24. And then the animal pictures are always perfect. But I got one that's into like tech stuff. So let's see. Oh, look at that. Stronger than you think. I like that. Okay. Oh, this is what I think he should get. A map. My big one, that's 11, on Valentine's Day, he need a map. He wants a map, rather. Okay, so he has this picture already. And it's $24. And we only paid like $9 for it. He has that. Oh, I like that one. But that's United States of America. But it's a older type picture. It's $24 too. So this is a clearance on pictures. Okay. I don't see anything. No. Oh, okay. No glass. None whatsoever. Absolutely not. Wall decor mirrors. Here we go. Back here. Okay, so now we into like the colorful stuff. Look, this is say Indiana, and I'm actually in Indiana. I live like 10 minutes away from Indiana, so that's where we're at. But I would get one that say Illinois, but Indiana always represent their state. Always, always, always. Okay. Okay, now my 11-year-old definitely said he needed one of these corking boards, but his dad will make one of those, so I'm not going to worry about that. Uh, let's see. They into like astrology type pictures, so I need to concentrate, I think, on finding that type of stuff. Okay, you know who Abe Lincoln is, but that look like a girl picture with that bubble gum. Okay, oh, he loved planes. One of them love airplanes. So that is nice. And it's 29, but that ain't on no clearance like that. That's pretty. Looks like you're standing over it. Let's see. Okay, that's a clearance. I like that too. Respect is earned, honesty and trust is appreciated, is gained, loyalty is returned. That's pretty. School rules. It's $12. So
I need to get me a big.
look at
Oh,
this.
ain't that cute?
Look guys. Now, my mother and my daughter with me today. You know they be dissing me. This 19. Look at that. Let me love you a little more before you're little. You're not little anymore. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love that. Okay. Here's another homeschool room. Oh, this is cute. Look at those two chairs. That's pretty. Carla, you like this for the front of your? That's cute.
That is nice.
I like that. We shopping for my daughter house guy. Okay, they got clearance over here.
Is that one down all the way to one?
It's a big giant clearance.
Just put it in there for no reason.
I thought that was a bird case. How much is it? $119. It looked like a genie bottle. But only it's. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at this, guys. I like this. I like the lamp. I like this lamp. It's $79. Well, that's how it look all the way to the floor. Okay. So I didn't find any tables, any what's the names in here that I liked. So the boys won't be getting no pictures out of here. Maybe Ross or somewhere like that, or Burlington is where I found my picture at. Oh, oh, look at these lamps. See what is that? Oh, okay. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's not. It's not. It's not. It's smooth. That's what it is. How much is it? $59. Okay. Colonial type lamps. All of this $24 for these pictures. Now these will look nice on the thing. One, these will look nice. See?
That's why I want to do my living room. That white gray couch, I want it like that.
Yeah.
It's like a real light gray.
Yeah.
And you could put any kind of
Then
color
I can,
pillows.
change it for the holidays.
Yeah.
Red
Yeah.
for Christmas, yellow for spring.
So that's my daughter. My mother and my daughter got the same taste, guy. I'm completely different. I need colors that pop out when you come in. Your eyes pop out your head. Now look at this one.
I like the blue.
Look, it'll match with the couch you was talking about, right? Any color will.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So it depends on what
That'll
kind
match
of
too.
season you
$19.
Yeah.
So I guess the couch depends on the season that you get. So is that how you? I like the
get. Is
green.
it the end
I
of
like the green.
February?
No, it should be the beginning.
Beginning?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's these type of prints out now.
I like that.
Yeah. How much is that? Okay, what's this? This a stool, guy. Look. Look at my hand up in there. And it's $99. Oh my God, it's heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy. And here's something else. Look like a table too. And then how much is this one? That one $99. Those are cute. But look at this one, $99. I like that because I like hideaways. So I like this too from HomeGoods. See, $129. I like that. Okay, kitchen. This looks good in a kitchen or a washroom. Okay, so I have a tall black stand in my bathroom. It's skinny. Those bowls that I bought from TJ Maxx, they'll go perfect on that stand. So now I just gotta figure out what else to put in there. Like that's my big washroom, really big. I like these. That's $25. It's shaped like this, and it's 3 tiers. And then they got this one right here. Oh, this a little. Nah, I don't think I want this. It's a little roller. Like you gotta take that with you. I like this for my bathroom though, or the kitchen. Oh look, the basket swings. That one do. Okay, all right, I like that. And how much is this one? $34. Okay. Okay, I like this. $39. That's pretty too. This another set of bathroom goals. Starting at $6.99. I like that set too. Let's see. Oh, this. I like that.
Yeah. So if you got like extra little tissue and
Yep.
the
You can
spray
put
instead of putting
spray.
it on the back of the toilet.
Toilet, it go on there. Oh, that was a good. Look at these baskets. Oh my God, look at that.
And those are cute.
Take that down. Let me get one. Oh, look at that.
You can't put nothing else.
They extra small, yeah, my mother right. They so tiny you can't get nothing in them. $19. But it is gorgeous. I like it because it's like a new twist on a basket. And then you can get it in gray. Yep.
Right.
Oh look, self-serve laundry open 24 hours. Oh yeah. How I look in
Now,
that
this would
clock.
be cute in my laundry room.
Let's see.
Lights and darks.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
Because you separate the laundry.
I have so much laundry that won't work for me.
That'd be a pile of
I like that.
This right here,
Here's
this
a-
will be shut up. Everything
This is a
on
gray
top
one, a
of
gray one right here.
Yeah, but you know my washer is red.
it. Yeah.
Oh well, it won't fit back on there, but that's a gray one. I like these laundries. Look, laundry. This one say laundry.
Loads of fun.
Loads of
Oh,
fun.
look at this one.
Sort today, wash
tomorrow,
fold eventually. That's me. I got 3 baskets to fold. Ain't folding not one. 16. Okay, I like that.
It's real cute. 'Cause it looks like
Here's the
that-
moon. Here's the moon for India. We need to paint it. Because she wants the solar system and stuff in there. So the moon is a part of, that's a shelf though. Look,
Yeah, it is a shelf.
it's a shelf. And it's $19. That's cute.
I mean, the bathroom, that bathroom.
But here's some more baskets for you.
I know.
The basket lady that got me. Oh, okay. Well, oh, look at this one, guys. Look, this one got a top. That is so cute. That's gorgeous. Let's see. That's how it look all the way across. And it's $39, but that is so, I like that just to have anywhere. That'll be cute in a front room anywhere. That is. Yeah, a little corner. Look at that. No, I got those. I buy them all the time. All my hangers look like this. Okay, so we got these guys right here. Okay, I like the feel of that. Both of us was coming down the same aisle. That's cute. I like that. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hit like, subscribe, and share my channel. Look at this set. That's cute. 14. Oh my God.